Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bookmark in Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or you can just go to any of your browser and go to Google and search for Slack. I've already done that and I'll go inside slack.com. And after that, just log into your account, and after you have logged in, you'll see My Workspaces. Under here, you'll see all of your workspace. Just launch any of them. And after that, just give it some time to load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Just give it a few seconds, it will load. And after it loads, to bookmark from here, what you have to do is just go to any of the messages. Just select the channel first in which you want to bookmark. Then select any of the message, for example, this hey. Then go here and click on the three dot icon or the more actions icon. From here, you can click on Remind Me and click on Tomorrow or something whenever you want the message to be seen again. Just click on that. And it's gonna say saved for later, due in 10 hours. Now, if you want to see it, what you have to do is just go here in later. And from here, you can see your saved messages. These are the bookmark messages for you. You can just go to later and see them. And basically, that is how to bookmark messages in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.